Perfect, perfect. All right. Woo! Super excited to be here. Thank you, everyone, for joining on this call. Remember, you made the decision to be here, okay? And I made the decision to be here. I'm going to show up for you. So the more you participate, the more information I'm going to release from my brain. I'm talking about I've been in the trading game for over 7 years. 7 years of knowledge, 7 years of stuff that I learned the wrong way. I had to remove from my brain, relearn it again. 7 years of blowing accounts. Oh man, I know you know about blowing accounts. 7 years of depositing money over and over and over. 7 years of wanting to quit, but I didn't. Because here's the reason why I didn't quit. I believed in this. I knew it would work. And another reason why I didn't quit is because I tried everything else. I used to work 2 jobs. I know what working 2 jobs feel like. Type inside the chat box, how many of you ever worked 2 jobs before? Oh man, if you ever worked 2 jobs, type a 4 inside the chat box. Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, I used to leave my house at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, leave my house at 6 o'clock in the morning, go to my first job, had to be at my first job by 7. I worked there from 7 to 3:30. I didn't even get a full 8 hours because I had to leave from that job just to make it to the other job on time by 4 p.m. I had 2 full-time jobs. You see, where I come from, the blueprint that my family gave to me, they said, okay, listen, do you want to be successful? Yes, I want to be successful. So this is what you're going to do. Okay. In order for you to be successful, you got to work 2 jobs. Oh man. Okay. All right. So I worked 2 jobs, and then what else am I supposed to do? All right. You're gonna have kids at an early age. Um, but if I work 2 jobs and I have kids at an early age, I'm not gonna be able to enjoy the kids. I'm not gonna be able to see them grow up. Well, that's what we've been doing for years and years and years. And look at us now. But you don't have anything. Exactly. You're not going to have anything else either. We're just going to pass this over to you, and you pass this blueprint to your kids. I don't want to do that. I want to do something different. No, no, you can't break the circle. No, I'm going to break that circle. And ladies and gentlemen, that's what I did. I decided to break that circle of poverty. And the moment I broke that circle of poverty, it was at the age of 37. That's right. At the age of 37, I decided, I'm going to give myself 3 years, 3 years to become financially free. That's right. See, I wrote down a goal. I didn't write down how I was going to do it. I didn't focus on, oh man, I want to make $1 million. I focused on when it was going to happen, because the how of your goals are always going to change. Okay, you want to become a successful trader. Well, today the how is maybe you learn from me. Maybe tomorrow you learn from someone else. Maybe the next day you learn from someone else. The how is always going to change, but the when is what we're going to focus on. When is it going to happen? See, most people they forget about their goals because they lose sight of when. They lose sight of the target. Oh man, it just looks so far away. Well, I said the same thing in the beginning, but 3 years came just like that. Look at this. We're already at the end of February. This is 2023. How many of you are already on track to completing your goals within the first quarter of the year? All right, we got one more month. We got one more month. How many of you are on track to complete your goals? Let me put the chat box up over here. Okay. I really want to talk to the people tonight. There we go. You work 12 hours a day? Ooh, I feel your pain. I feel your pain. I know exactly how you feel. Woo, 12 hours. You got 2 jobs right now? Listen. I want to talk to the people who got 2 jobs. Okay? Because I'm going to show you a blueprint. This blueprint, how we can start eliminating one job. I'm not telling you to quit. Okay? I would never tell you to quit. It's how you can eliminate one job and then eventually move into retirement. But you got to do it got to be very careful when you move into retirement. You see, a lot of people say, oh man, come learn this trading thing and you can quit your job. Quit your job. No, no, don't do that. Because your job is funding your education right now. Okay. Your job is funding your trading account right now. Never look down on your job. I'm so happy and grateful that I had a job. I'm so happy and grateful that I had a job that was able to give me the opportunity to fund my trade account when I blew it. Okay. So be happy and grateful for that. But what we're going to do tonight, okay, right now your job is paying for your retirement, your 401k. Your job is paying for your medical, your benefits. When you retire, you got to make sure that you can continue all of that. Don't just retire and not have insurance. Don't just retire and not have what do you call it, investments, because that was one of the biggest mistakes I made, ladies and gentlemen. One of the biggest mistakes that I made when I retired was, hey, I don't need my insurance. Boom, boom, COVID hit me in 2020. I thought I was invincible. COVID hit me at the end of 2020. I was hospitalized for 5 days right before Christmas. My life was over. All right. I was on 100% oxygen. Didn't know if I was going to make it or not. I started praying to God. I said, God, how is it that when we get into a problem, now we have belief? All right. When we get into a problem or a situation, when our back is up against the wall, now we got belief. Now we start praying. Well, we got to start believing before we get in that situation. But I'm not perfect. I said, God, please, if you bring me out of this, I'll make sure I do everything I'm supposed to do. And he answered the prayer. I can't renege on my promise. I can't renege. And I know what I'm supposed to do. My goal is to help the people get to the next level. My goal is to help you get to the next level. And trust me when I tell you, from 2020, currently, that's what I've been doing. I've been going 100% for the people. I can't renege on my promise. So that's why it's very important on this call today. It's very important that you do this. All right. You have to understand, what is the point of learning how to trade? I need you guys to type inside the chat box. What is your point of learning how to trade? Okay. I want you to answer that question, and nothing generic. Okay. Are you just trading for social media? Are you trading? Oh, I'm gonna get me a Lamborghini. I'm gonna be on social media. Woo, look at me. Woo. Oh man. I see people doing that every single day. They got that social media lifestyle. But in real life, hey, let me borrow $10. Hey, but your trading account that you posted the other day, say that you did a withdrawal for $20,000. Oh man, I had to do something with that, man. I had to do something. Nah, unfortunately, I can't let you borrow that money. You can make it. You just made 20,000 in trading. Go ahead and do it again. Okay? Don't do it for social media. All right? Trust me. Are you doing it for your family or your friends? I need you to have a define. If you're doing it for your family, you're doing it for your friends, define that reason. Why are you doing it for your family? What's going on in your family? What situation in your family is happening right now that you need to trade to change this right here? What's going on? You need a definite reason why. Okay? Look, that's why I said right here, define your reason why. Oh, I want to pay bills. Oh, Ma, come on, that's too bland. Everybody want to pay bills. Why do you want to pay this bill? What bill needs to be paid? What bill right now is taking up 50 to 80% of your income? Which bill is that? Oh, that's my rent. That's my mortgage. I need to make sure. That's what we're going to focus on then. Okay? That's what we're going to focus on. We're going to focus on this one right here. You see, the reason why I was able to stay financially free and stay out of a job is because I started trading my bills. See, I have a trading account for every single bill. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I have a trading account for my rent, for my electricity. I have a trading account for my car. I have a trading account for anything. Hey, my wife said, hey, you want to go out to dinner? Wait, hold on. Let me check the dinner trading account. Okay. Oh, we don't just do things because, hey, look, one bad trade, one bad trade can send you back to your 9 to 5. And the last thing you want to do is get off the bench. And now you got to go back. Hey, you think I can get my job back? Oh, no. After all that stuff you've been talking about, hey, I don't work no job no more, 9 to 5, I'm free. And then you got to go back to it? No. That's why I say every single trade that you take, ladies and gentlemen, has to be while you're trading. Every single trade needs a responsibility. So you can't over leverage. Why am I not over leverage? Oh, that's my rent. My rent is due on the 1st. My mortgage is due on the 1st. I can't over leverage my rent. Oh, I can't over leverage my child support. Oh, I can't over leverage that. So now you're placing trades like with a purpose. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to step to the side so you can get a screenshot of this. All right, your goals, they got to be smart. All right, your goals got to be smart. You got to be specific about your goals. What exactly do you want to achieve when it comes to trading? What do you want to achieve when it comes to trading? And don't say again, I want to make $1 million. No, you want to make $1 million. Come on, how can you make $1 million when you've never made a withdrawal of $100? Make $100 first. Make $10 first. Okay, you want it measurable. How will you know you have achieved it? Oh, wow, I just did a withdrawal of $10. I just did a withdrawal of 50. All right, measurable, achievable. Is it in your power to achieve it? Yes, it's in my power because I got a Netflix bill that I haven't watched Netflix in 2 years, but I'm still paying for it, $10 a month. That's where you can start, ladies and gentlemen. You can start with the smallest bill in your house. Okay, I need you guys to type inside the chat box, what is the smallest bill in your house right now? All right, don't be shy. I need everybody to participate. What is the smallest bill in your house? It doesn't matter if it's $10, $20, $30. What is the smallest bill? Whatever the smallest bill is in your house, that's the bill I want you to trade. You got 30 days. So let me see some in the comment. Somebody said $19, $16. All right, 15 pounds, 15 euro. Look, let's say the smallest bill in your house is 15 euros, 15 pounds. This is what's going to happen. You got 30 days to make 15 euros, 30 days to make $15. Whoa, hold on. Why are you trying to make $15 in one day? Why are you trying to make $15 on one trade? That's how you blow your account. Oh man, I never looked at it like that. So you mean to tell me I got 30 days to make $15? Yes. So you can take your time. So you can take your time and not rush it. You see, when you're trading your bills, ladies and gentlemen, you don't rush. No way. So if I know that my rent or my mortgage is $3,000, $4,000 a month, I got 30 days to make 4,000, not 24 hours. You see what happens when you start thinking, all right, I got to make this in 24 hours. Why didn't you do that 29 days ago? Because I was trying to make it. I over leverage and I had to redeposit more money and deposit more money. See, that's what happened when you over leverage, you're rushing it. So your goals got to be realistic, ladies and gentlemen. Is it realistic? Okay. Time right here. When do you want to achieve it by? Okay. When do you want to achieve it? When do you want to make that withdrawal? I got 30 days. And then you know what's going to happen? I promise you, this is what's going to happen. The moment you start paying your bills, watch this. The moment you start paying your bills, you paid your first bill, it's going to feel good. You may not have made enough money to make some life-changing decisions, but that's one less bill that's going to come out of your paycheck. That's going to come out of your bank account. Oh man, I don't have to do that. Guess what happened next month? Next month, you're running around the house. Hey, I need a bill. I need a bill. I need a bill. What bill am I going to pay? I promise you, this is what I did. Now I'm running through my house. I need this bill. I need this bill. Now I'm up to 2 bills per month. Now I'm up to 3 bills. Now I'm up to 4 bills. Now I paid all my bills through trading. Hold on. You paid all your bills through trading. I haven't touched my paycheck in 6 months. I haven't touched my paycheck in 12 months. You just gave yourself a raise. You know that raise that you've been looking for on your job that your boss was so cheap to give you? Hey, can I get a raise? Oh man, the company wasn't doing too well. Man, we'll probably have to do some layoffs. Ooh, woo, woo, layoffs. Oh no, not today, Satan. Not today. You don't even care about that no more. Okay? So now you haven't touched your bank account. Now you got a comma. You know those commas? It comes after the number 1, 0, 0, 0. Some people never had a comma in their bank account. But when I started teaching them this strategy right now, they're like, bro, I got a comma in my bank account. Woo! But guess what happens? The moment you start paying your bills through trading, slow down because I know what you're thinking. Now you're thinking, can I retire? No, 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 not yet. How consistent are you on a monthly basis paying your bills through trading? Oh, I've been paying them every single month for 6 months. Okay. Now your bank account is growing, right? Perfect. All right. Let's go a whole year. 1 year consistently paying your bills through trading. Oh man, but I'm making some good money trading. News can happen. All right. The president can say something horrible on the news that spiked the market in the wrong direction because you're so confident right now, you over leverage and you wipe your whole account out. Now you got to start all over. Take your time. Now ask yourself this question. All right, everything that your job is providing you for, medical insurance, all these benefits. If you retire today, yes, we already know that you can afford your bills, but can you afford the extra stuff like the benefits? Because the benefits, you don't see how much it costs out of your paycheck. Okay? Health insurance, $500 a month. Can you afford that? Not just for you, but your entire family. We're talking about $1,000, almost $2,000 a month. Can you afford that? Oh man, I didn't think about that. Well, now that's something you got to trade for. You want to keep that stuff going. Okay? Because the worst thing an entrepreneur can do is go without health insurance. The worst thing an entrepreneur can do is go without life insurance. Trust me when I tell you. All right? They don't have a stimulus package for entrepreneurs. They don't have an unemployment for entrepreneurs because as an entrepreneur, if you stop trading, you can't go to the unemployment line and say, "Hey, I'm not trading anymore, so I would like to get some unemployment." Nope, you're on your own. The moment you decide you want to do this, you want to become an entrepreneur, you're on your own now. So let me ask you this question, ladies and gentlemen. After hearing everything I just said, is this what you want to do? Type a yes or no inside the chat box. Is this what you want to do? Do you want to learn the skill? Let me know. Let me see who's backing out, who's afraid now, who's saying, I don't know if I want to do this anymore. Y'all still want to do it? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to break it down like this. Okay? We're going to break down market structure as if you were shopping in the store. All right, I know we're talking to the UK family right now. UK, we're going to get to everybody else. But if you're in the UK right now, what's one of the biggest shopping centers in the UK? Okay. And I know I'm probably saying UK is huge, but let's go with what's one of the biggest shopping centers? Let me see what we got. Someone say Tesco, Westfield, Blue Water, or Trafford, right? All right, so let's go with Blue Water, right? So now this is Blue Water right here. Now, as you can see, everybody is running inside to go shopping. Now, right in this area here, we have a level of resistance right here, a level of resistance. Every time the customer go inside the store, all right, every time the customer go inside the store, there's a level of resistance. All right, they hit that resistance and then boom, the market drops, right? But let me show you how it works in real life. When a customer goes into a store, they buy something, and every time they buy something, they take away that item from the store. They buy it and keep going, take that item from the store. The next customer comes in, they go in, they buy it, take that item from the store. This process is repeated over and over and over until the store runs out of product. Okay, this is repeated over and over until the store runs out of product. And once the store runs out of product, ladies and gentlemen, You know what happens next? We get that sign that says sold out. Well, that's the same thing that happened in the market. That's right. You see, we have two different types of levels in the market. We have a support and a resistance. Okay, support on the bottom, resistance on the top. When the market hits resistance, it gets rejected and then falls down. So I want you to think about this concept. There's a reason why the market is hitting resistance and falling, because when the buyers push up to a certain level, they exit out of the trade, the sellers jump in and push the market down. Again, this process is going to be repeated over and over and over until eventually there's no more value in that area. Okay? There's no more value in that area. Give me 1 second. Let me get the charger. Sorry about that. There's no more value in that area. Man, we can't have a blackout. They're trying to stop us. Not today. Not today. All right, perfect. We are good. Woo. All right. Y'all still with me? Y'all with me? Let's go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go. All right. So look, once the store is sold out, guess what happens next? Hey, listen. Hey, I got a question for you. I was here last week and I wanted to buy the new Jordans, the new Yeezys, and I see that they sold out. And the guy says, "Hey, listen, man, we don't have any at this store right here, but if you go up the street, then we have them more. We have more at the store up the street. But I have to warn you, if you go up the street, okay, if you go to the store up the street, the price is going to be higher. Okay, we have the cheapest price. That's why we're sold out. So if you go up the street, yes, the price is going to be higher. Hmm. All right. How bad do you want them? All right. I want them bad, but I don't know if I want to pay that extra price. But guess what? You say to yourself, you know what? I'm about to take this flight to the UK and I want to look fresh. I want to look fly. So you know what? I'm gonna go and spend that extra money. So the market breaks out of the zone. There it is. The market breaks out of the zone. Now, once you get up there, you say to yourself, you know what? I don't know if I want them. And then, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we had that huge crash all the way back down. Okay. That huge crash all the way back down to the market. When the market is sold out of a certain area, you have customers. I'm so sad. Yes, customers are angry because their favorite store has sold out. So here's what happens next. Here's my favorite part. Okay. Here's my favorite part. Once they break out of the zone, I want you to focus on this area right here. You see that strong rally of green candles? Strong rally of green candles. These are the buyers that's pushing the market all the way up. But right there, we have the last selling candle right there. Okay? We have the last selling candle right there. That's called the starting point. Okay? That's called the starting point. So what we're going to look for is once that market rise all the way up, wait for it to come all the way back down to the starting point. We want to see a 100% retracement back down to the starting point. And trust me when I tell you, think about this. When that market comes all the way back down, it's almost like the store calling you and saying, "Hey, how you doing, Mr. Johnson? Oh, I'm pretty good, man. Hey, you know, last week you came into the store, we were sold out. But we just had a new delivery come in past the starting point. So you can do your pre-order right now." Ladies and gentlemen, a pre-order is called a pending order. A pending order. So once that market comes all the way back down here, right at the top on the right-hand side, we're going to put a pending order sell limit around that area. Okay. So now look at this. Notice how the market drops down. All we're going to do is extend this box over. And once the market comes up, sniper gang, 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 let's go. Boom. Woo. How do I know? I caught that trade. That was an amazing trade right there. Would it be okay if you can open up the chart and you can see stuff like this? Imagine if you can open up the chart and see stuff like that. let's go over to the live chart real quick. Okay. Let's go over to the live chart. Let me turn my camera off real quick. Okay. It's kind of getting kind of hot in here. It's getting kind of hot in here. Whew, I got all these lights on in the studio. But I'm gonna turn my camera off real quick and go over here. All right, perfect, perfect. There we go. Yeah, y'all don't need to see me on camera. Not when I'm sweating, like the police chasing me. But anyway, here we go. Perfect, perfect. Now we over here on the live chart. And what we're gonna do right now is I want to show you how the level system works and how you can capitalize on it on a daily basis. Okay. How you can capitalize this on a daily basis and how students are winning. Okay. You're not seeing my chart? Don't worry. I got you. I got you. I'm about to share the screen right now. I got you. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. There you go. You see it? All right. There you go. Ooh. Oh, man. Telling you. About to get into it now. Y'all, let me ask you, you guys enjoying the call? You enjoying the call right now? I don't know. All right, perfect. Abdullah, let's go. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and get into it real quick. I got one of my students. His name is Jackknife. He just got started literally about 30 days ago, right? What I've been doing here on the level system is for everyone that's on Go Live, okay, everyone that's on Go Live, what I've been doing is taking the ideas from the students, right? Here's a student right here. His name is Jackknife, right? At the last 30 minutes of the session, okay, we do the first 30 minutes is all education. The last 30 minutes is all about hey, I asked the students after teaching you all the strategy, all right, go to your levels chart and start looking for a setup. Well, here's a student that's been with us for 30 days. And here's an idea that he called right here for buy opportunity. And this market went up for 157 pips of pure pleasure. You see, the reason why I call it pure pleasure is because it feels so good when I'm in profit. Feels so good when we're in profit, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go ahead and break down this system right here, this trade that he called. Okay. So I'm going to break this down right here on the whiteboard. All right, if you can see this check mark, you're going to see a lot of checks deposited into your bank account in 2023. Perfect. There you go. See that check mark right there? All right, so let's go ahead and break down this system real quick. All right, so the market was dropping down just like this, okay? The market was dropping down just like this. And then the market pulled back. So what happened when that market dropped down and pulled back, okay, now we got the buyers coming in. These are the buyers right here. The buyers are always jumping in, minding somebody else's business. See, the sellers were having a good time selling the market. Then the buyers want to come in and reverse the market just a little bit. Okay, you silly little buyer. So what happened was now, once the buyer pulled back, we created this level called support. Okay. This is a nice, cool area. It's called support right here. Okay. So now this buyer came in, and what happened? The seller said, hey, what are you doing in my house? We have more sellers in here than buyers. And the buyer said, oh man, sorry about that. Sorry about that, Mr. Seller. I didn't know this was your house. My fault, my fault. Let me just leave. So the sellers, strong bearish candle, pushed the buyer out. So now, ladies and gentlemen, what do we have? The level system is going to draw a box just like this. Okay, the level system is going to draw a red box just like this the moment we have a breakout. Okay, you don't have to do this. So now what you have to identify is, and it's real simple, is number one, we want to identify the red box. Okay, red box. Perfect. There it is. The next thing you want to identify is the starting point. How did the market get here at the bottom? Okay. You always want to know where you are. I'm here. Okay. But how did I get here? So it was this last move up before the market dropped down. So what we want to identify, the starting point is, and it's easy to identify just by identifying the last buying candle before the breakout. Okay. The last buying candle before the breakout. And when I tell you, it's so easy to identify because what the level system is going to do, it's going to tell you right on the top of the breakout candle, hey, this is the breakout candle. That's right. The level system is going to tell you right here that this right here is the BOC. And the BOC stands for breakout candle. So let's go ahead and recap real quick. When you open up your chart on levels, the first thing you're going to see is either a red or blue box. But let's just say you're looking at a red box. Okay. 1 hour time frame is the default time frame that the level system starts on. Now you can navigate your way through all of the time frames to find the exact setups that you're looking for. Okay. But let's just start on the default time frame that the level system offers. So now, the moment I open up my chart is I see a red box. Boom, red box. Okay, cool, perfect. Step number 2, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the starting point. All right, where's the starting point? All right, I see the BOC, the breakout candle. Well, oh, the last buying candle is right there. Perfect. The next thing we want to see, ladies and gentlemen, which is very important, we want to see the market give us a 100% retracement. What does that mean? Okay. What does that mean? What does a 100% retracement mean? All that means is that the market was down here and the buyers call all of their homies. Hey, what's up, man? I need help. I need help. What do you mean? The sellers kicked me out. All right. So the buyers call all of their friends and their friends said, all right, we're gonna go up there and we're gonna crush them. Okay, perfect. I can't say what I want to say, but it is what it is. So now, as that market comes all the way back up, this is what we call a 100% retracement or a U-turn. Okay, whatever you want to call it. All right, the market came all the way back up to the starting point. This is the most important part. Okay, 100% retracement. If you don't have that, move on, look for something else. Now that you got the 100% retracement, the market is up. All I want you to do is extend. All right, bring out the extend. Extend this little box here, that red box. Extend it over to the right-hand side because this is going to be your zone to enter the trade. That's right. Wow, hold on. So all I have to do, recap real quick, is open up my chart, my level system. I found a red box. Yes, you found a red box. It looks just like that. Okay, step number 2, find the last buying candle. Yes. Okay, step number 3, look for the market to give us a 100% retracement. Yes. Okay, all right. What about step number 4? Step number 4, just wait for the market to come back down to this area. Wait for the market come down to this area and then sniper gang gang, buy it. Oh, wow. I can do that. I know. Jack Knight did the same thing. And it looks like a teacup. So I know in London, you guys drink tea. Well, at least that's what the TV tells me, that you guys like some Earl Grey tea over in London. Well, this is a big cup of tea right here. Would you like a cup of tea? Well, of course. All right, perfect. So I love when the system gives me this pattern right here and I get the buy right here. So ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this. Does this pattern, does this pattern that I just drew out, right? Take a look at the pattern I just drew out right here. Oh my goodness. Does it look like this? Wow. Can you imagine? Builder T? Emma Tier, what's up, Emma? Oh man. Emma is like the levels ambassador for the UK. Oh man, I get so many charts, so many charts on IG from Emma. Hey coach, look at this right here. We winning. We 3-0. I love it. I love it. Emma, I had to shout you out. But take a look at this. This is the same exact setup that we drew out. Imagine if you see this every single day. Wow. Now, before you get super excited, I know you're excited and be like, hold on, I just saw that pattern the other day. Before you get excited and want to over leverage your trade, all right, first thing you're going to ask myself, okay, this is something that we started in the beginning. Never forget this, okay? Every trade that you enter, ask yourself this question: what bill am I paying? Ask yourself the question: what bill am I paying? You got to remind yourself, okay? What bill am I paying? And the reason why you want to ask yourself this question, so you don't over leverage. All right, I'm paying my my car note, okay? How much is my car note? All right, so if my car note is, let me get the breakdown real quick. Let's say my car note, you just got the brand new 2027 smart car, okay? And your car note is $500 per month. All right, you're going to divide that by 30 days, okay? You're going to divide that by 30 days. So that means you got to make a minimum of $16 per day instead of trying to make $500 in one trade. Now you're thinking like, hold on, I could do that. I can make $16 versus trying to make $500 on one trade. Hold on, I can make $16. So imagine that 16 add up, add up, add up, add up, compounding every day for the next 30 days. And now that's the last, when you look at this, I know what you guys are saying. Oh, but coach, what if I would have just took, this 160 pips on the standard lot size? I would have made enough money to pay all of my bills in one trade. Yeah, but it doesn't always happen like that. Okay, I got it. So, when we look at this, I got all these trades from our students here. All right, some amazing setups from our students. Here's a trade from our student Terrence. He only had a 15 pip drawdown. Okay, 15 pip drawdown from this entry here, and the market dropped down 183 pips of pure pleasure. Okay, but Terrence, remember, I know this market dropped down 183 pips, but I only needed enough pips. See, Terrence got 48 pips to pay his bills. See, the market is not going to give you what you want. It's going to give you what you need. You need 20 pips to pay your bills. You need 30 pips to pay your bills, but you want 1,000 pips. The market's not going to give you 1,000 pips right now. Take what the market gave you. Take what the market is giving you and run. Because trust me, if you don't, take a look at this setup right here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we know that the market gave us this nice trade down. Okay, I know you see a whole bunch of red, and blue, but now looking at what's on my screen right about here. Okay, all right. I only want you to focus on this area right here. Put your eyes right here. This whole area in this zone. Okay, don't focus on anything else. Nothing else is ready. I know you see a blue box and you see a red box. Which of the two boxes are ready to be traded? Is it red or blue? Okay. Now remember, let me give you a breakdown. William Johnson said red. All right. Kim said blue. Okay. All right. We got a lot of people said blue. But before I give you the answer, before I let you know, yes or no, you're right, I got to give you a breakdown because I'm seeing a lot of people say blue. And when you say blue, I'm getting confused. All right, let's break down the blue box real quick. Okay, make sure you guys take notes. We got a red box right here. And then over here, we're going to have a blue box. Okay, it's almost like which pill are you going to take, the red or the blue pill? Well, I'm not taking either one of the pills because I don't like taking pills. Okay, perfect. So we got a red. Yvette Anderson says both boxes. Oh man, I got to break it down. So no more answers. Hold all your answers. Hold all your answers. Let's break down the red box first. Red box, the market hit support. The market hit support. And then we get a breakout. Perfect. We get a breakout. Now, right around here, okay, right around this area on the red box, we get the last buying candle. Remember that rule? The last buying candle. Okay. The last buying candle before the breakout. There it is. Now, you already know in order to trade the red box, what needs to happen? We need to see this market come back up and give us a 100% retracement back up to the top. Okay. Give us a 100% retracement. That's right. Good job. We need to see the red box come all the way back up to the top and then come down, extend this red box over, and then we take a buy opportunity, right? You already know that. Perfect. Let's talk about the blue box. So the blue box is giving us resistance, okay? Resistance. And then after resistance on a blue box, we get a breakout. So now on a blue box, we need to identify the last selling candle before the large breakout. Ooh, it's the opposite. Okay, I see that. It's the opposite. All right. So now with the blue box, we know that the starting point is on the bottom, the last red candle. We need to see the market give us a 100% retracement. That means that this market needs to come all the way back down in this area and give us the 100% retracement, then back up here so we can take the sell. Okay. Now I need you to look at these two diagrams real quick. All right. Take a very close look at these two diagrams. You got it? Perfect. Now, no, it's not going to be a large candle every time. Okay. It could be a small candle. But now that you took a look at the diagram, take a look. All right. There's your diagram for the red box and the blue box. Now take a look at the setup. Between the red box and the blue box, which box is ready to be traded? Kim is still saying the blue box. Bina says the blue. Heather says the red. Okay. Kamala says the blue. All right, let me just show you something real quick. Let's take a look at the blue box. For everyone that's saying blue, okay? The blue box is here. All right. So in order to create the blue box, we need to see the market break out. Then we need to see the market give us 100%. Let's take a look at the blue box. The blue box broke out where? Right about here. This is where the blue box break out. You see where it says BOC? This is when the blue box was created. Okay. I know you probably got confused because you could see the blue box. All right. You can see the blue box, but you couldn't see where it was created at. It was created over here. But where's the starting point? Where is the starting point to the blue box? It's all the way down here. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The starting point for the blue box is all the way down here. Let me ask you the question. Did the market give us a 100% retracement? The answer is no. The market for the blue box did not give us a 100% retracement. But what about the red box? Okay, let's take a look at the red box. The red box broke out the bottom. Boom, here's the red box. The last buying candle is, you see where it says BOC? That's the actual candle that broke out. Okay, that's the actual candle that broke out. So now look for the last buying candle. Okay, this is not it. This is not it. This is, oh, the last buying candle is right there. Perfect. So now I just need to know if the market gave me a 100. Oh, look, it gave me a 100% retracement right here. Boom. And then drop all the way down. Ladies and gentlemen, once we got that 100% retracement, we take this box and extend it over. All right, let's go ahead and extend that box over. All right, there you go. There you go, Kim. Now we on point. Extend the box over and look at that sniper entry. Would it be okay if you caught the trade here, sniper gang, let's go. And that market went up for 69 pips. But let me ask you something. How many pips do you need to satisfy the bill that's being paid? You see, most people ask me this question. Hey, where should I put my take profit? Where should I put my stop loss? I can't tell you how much your bill is. Only you know that. You see, my goal is to help you become profitable traders. You see, you can't be profitable traders if greed takes over. Okay, let's take a look at what I love about the level system is, okay, Willie, ladies and gentlemen, this trade right here was called out 3 days ago. And look at this student here, Willie from Somalia, got a sniper entry on this. This just happened. It literally just happened. Okay, what did Willie see? Why did he take this trade? He saw a red box. All right, there's a red box. Where is the starting point? All right, here's my red box. Here's my breakout candle. Oh, right here, the last buying candle. Did we get a 100% retracement? Yes. Extend the box over. Okay. Extend the box over. Bam, sniper entry. That just happened today. Look at Willie again, another one of our students. Got another sniper entry, sniper gang. Come on, Willie. Oh, this time he caught it off the blue box. Here's the blue box over here. The market broke out, came back around. And again, ladies and gentlemen, when you open up your level system, you're not waiting all of this time. No. Let's go over to Monday real quick. You're not waiting all of that time. When we open up our chart, the first thing you want to do is click this button that says BOS. When you click that button that says BOS, boom, it's going to put the blue and the red boxes on your chart. All right, so now, so you're not wasting your time, let me ask you something. What is the first thing we see? Can anyone tell me? A red box. Bing, bing, bing. You get 25 points. Good job. What's the next thing that we're looking for when we get a red box? Green candle. Right here, the high, the starting point. What's the next thing that we're looking for? A 100% retracement. Yes or no, ladies and gentlemen? Did we get a 100% retracement all the way from the top to the bottom? Did we get a 100% retracement? The answer is no. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm not going to waste my time looking at this. I'm not going to wait. That's a big fat X right there. I'm going to move on. Move on to the next. This is not tradable. I'm not going to look. You got all of these options. I love options. CAD JPY. What am I going to do? Ooh, oh my goodness. This is CAD JPY, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. We got a red box. Got a red box. Starting point. Green candle. Okay. 100% retracement. Extend my box. Woo! Wickety wick. Oh, it's gone. It's already gone. It's already gone. Sniper gang. Sniper gang. Sniper gang. Someone said, do I have my volume turned up too high or are you yelling? Oh man. Go to the highest building and jump. So anyway, so look, sniper gang. Okay. Boom. 85 pips. 85 pips. Trust me, if you had a system like this, if you knew the skills, if you had these skills, you would be excited too. You would be excited too. Ladies and gentlemen, when I tell you this, trust me when I tell you, I've been excited. Okay. I've been excited for the past 4 years. I've been excited for the past 4 years because I've learned a skill that no one can take away from me. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand that there's two sides to what we have here in the academy. Two sides to what we have in the academy. Some may come in and excel and they're great at sharing the opportunity. Okay. Yes, you take the retest. Here's the retest right here off that wick. Some may come in and they excel off of sharing the opportunity and hit the highest of the highest ranks. But then some may come in and say, you know what? Uh, I'm not good at sharing the opportunity. I've never went chairman. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I want levels to help you go chairman on the charts. When you go chairman on the charts, matter of fact, before you go chairman on the charts, I need you all, to go P150 on the charts. Okay. I need you to go P150 on the charts using level system. Okay. P600 on the charts, P1000 on the charts. Okay. With this right here, the moment you learn this skill, sharing the opportunity is going to come so easy with confidence. Okay. Yes, there's three sides to levels. We have the Monday side, we have master ideas, and then we have the lifeline. Okay. The lifeline was one of the systems. Oh man, we got an idea right there that just came up. Okay. The lifeline was one of the systems that it's an algorithm that I've been teaching people how to see it manually, but then I decided to take that algorithm and put it where the system automatically does it. Okay. So basically the lifeline, you're looking at Aussie JPY, right? Over here, the symbol says AUD JPY. Okay. Now, where it says violation, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. What does that mean? Let me break down the entire algorithm. Okay. Now, some of you may understand, we got about 5 more minutes and then we're done. Okay. Some of you may understand that you may already know about the bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay. Now, the bullish and bearish candlestick pattern is a pattern of momentum. Okay. So let me show you the bearish engulfing real quick. Okay. And this is the whole idea behind the lifeline and why it's so powerful. So with the bearish engulfing, basically it works like this. The market was moving in an upward direction. Okay. Buyers were taking over. Buyers were taking over. Buyers were taking over. And then at one point, the sellers came in and engulfed the last buying candle. Okay. Sellers came in and engulfed the last buying candles. Now, all of the textbooks that's out there will tell you, hey, listen, when the market comes back to around this zones, around that range, this is where you're going to look for a sell opportunity. So again, textbook is going to teach you when the market comes back around that range, this is where you're going to look for a sell opportunity. Okay, perfect. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the reason why I started doing the opposite of what textbook teaches. Because once a textbook has been written, the information stays the same in the book. But what most people don't realize that in the real world, everything changes. Everything changes in the real world after time. So while you're still reading that textbook that tell you when the market comes back up to this level here, this is where you're going to sell. But what if this was back in 2016? But we're now in 2023. That textbook hasn't been updated. So what happened when market conditions change? The textbook is not telling you how to adapt. This is what the level system is teaching you. The level system is teaching you how to adapt when market conditions change. Okay? How to adapt when market conditions change. So now this is what we call a violation. Okay? Violation. Oops, double click. This is a violation. Why do we call it a violation? It's a violation because the market went against. Okay? A violation is when you do the opposite of the rules. So the market went against what we were supposed to do, so we call it a violation. So that's the reason why I called this over here a violation of the bearish engulfing. So whenever you see that violation of a bearish engulfing, just know that we're looking for a buy opportunity. So once the market comes back inside of the zone, which now it's going to turn into a blue box, okay? I try to make this as simple as possible. It turns into a blue box just like this, maybe like this, maybe even like this, okay? Turns into a blue box, and then all of our take profits are put in affirmations, okay? So all of our take profits are in 20 pip increments. So we have 20 pips, 40, and 60. So all of our take profits are I'm strong, I'm powerful, I'm unstoppable, and my stop losses don't give up. Okay, don't give up. So this is on a 4-hour time frame. We have a blue box right here, and what are we looking for? This is when the system calls it out for you, looking for the market to pull back in this range or just continue rising up. Okay, continue rising up. Now we do have a bearish engulfing right here. Okay, so we probably get some reaction around that range. So here's exactly what I'm talking about. Bearish engulfing. Textbook tells you to sell right there. Okay, but around this area, all right, we go to you don't have to go to a smaller time frame, but I like to do this so I can see it now. So when this market does all of this, violates and goes this way, look for the reaction to take the trade up. Okay, this is the side for those who just want to trade using this system here. Now, here's another one. This is on NZD-JPY, where the market is about to hit the first 20 pip target. All right, NZD, this is a bullish violation. When it's a bullish engulfing violation, it's a sell opportunity. Bearish is for a buy opportunity. Okay, so as you can see, this market is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Boom, rising up, rising up. Now I'm setting it up where we can get the alerts on time, because I know when most of you probably see this, when you see it, it's probably like, oh man, am I too late? Okay, am I too late? So, ladies and gentlemen, my favorite part, I know some of you love the lifeline, okay? But the lifeline is the same thing that you're doing on this side over here. All right, there's 3 strategies and levels, okay? Lifeline, the Monday boxes, and the breakout boxes. Last one, the Monday boxes. When you go over to levels, click on this box right here that says Monday. It automatically creates itself starting on Sunday at 5 p.m. and this box completes itself on Monday at 5 p.m. Okay. Now, if you ever get confused, just click this button over here and you can see all of the rules. All right. I got very good details on the rules. All right. Got some beautiful rules right here for you. And then if you're saying to yourself, hey, I want to share this with some people, well, just go over here where it says training. And then I have a built-in PowerPoint just for everything that we spoke about today. Here's a built-in PowerPoint right here. Plan your trades. What bills are you paying? Withdrawals must be done completed in 30 days. All right. This is your plan right here. You're never going to find a system that's giving you the full breakdown right here. All right. We got the Monday. This is how you use the Monday system. Once the box is completed, step number 1, wait until the box is completed. Step number 2, did the last candle inside the box, you see that? The last candle inside the box, did it close above the 50%? Here's the last candle. Yes, it closed above the 50%. Well, if it did, now we're going to put a buy limit here. And when the market comes back, we're going to buy that trade. Okay. So let's go back over to the live screen. Let's go back to Monday, and we were on UJ. And I just want you to see this week alone, if you were trading the Monday system, you would have made some great profits. So here's the Monday box right here. Okay, here's the Monday box right here. Yes or no? Did the last candle inside the box close above the 50%? The answer is yes. So your entry would have been here at the 50%. If you click this button that says Fibonacci, watch this now, Fibonacci, bam, this is going to show your entry, your stop loss, your take profit, okay? All you got to do is click that button, and that's your take profits for the Monday system. And the reason why I have it where you can turn everything off because I like a clean and simple chart. Ladies and gentlemen, that was my time. I hope you enjoyed this call. And I'll see you on Go Live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, DCX at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and Forex at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, perfect. Make sure you share this with everyone and just let you guys know that Levels is free for everyone. Levels is free for everyone. One of the most powerful systems in the academy is now free. Let's go.
Thank you very much, sir, for coming on the call. What a information, what a mind-blowing information, especially all the way from trading psychology, the mindset about trading, that it's not really set a realistic goal, something achievable. Literally, it's amazing. It's amazing. Thank you very much for coming on the call. And the strategies, I'm sure everyone is loving loving it. I can see the chat box already. So ladies and gents, once again, put 777 in the chat to acknowledge, to say thank you, to appreciate, show our love to our phenomenal educator, our coach, Mr. Oran Wright, all the way from US. Thank you, sir. Super, super grateful for you to pouring into our organization, into our teams, all UK, Europe, everywhere in the world. You are absolutely doing amazing, and I
When
cannot
am I
wait.
getting my invitation to the UK?
Definitely, I would love to see you coming. I would love to see you coming actually on the Rotterdam convention. It will be amazing if you can come down there as well. That will be
It's the
really great.
Rotterdam is around the same time that we have the Orlando event,
Orlando, yeah, yeah, that's
you
true.
know,
That's true.
but I am going to be in Portugal
All right.
March
Okay.
4th.
When you are coming to Portugal?
March 4th.
Okay, so then we can definitely plan probably straight after the Portugal to the London trip. Why not? I'll
Hmm.
message you.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Ladies and gents, if you want Mr. Owen Wright in the UK, put 77 in the chat. Let's invite him. Let's invite him. Make sure he's coming here in the UK. That will be really amazing. Wow, wow. You can see now the invitation is here. Everybody would love to see you here. So amazing, amazing. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you for coming on the call. And I recorded this call. I'm gonna watch this call again myself over and over again, and the whole team. We are ready from Monday. Not only will be plugging into your go live session, but we will be also opening up the new demo account, and we will start to practice the strategy. It's literally amazing. So simple, straightforward, and the way you explained it, the way you have shown it, I can say like literally anyone can trade with this.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate your time, sir. Thank you
All
once
right.
again, everyone, to come on the call. And ladies and gents, now you have seen all. You have seen how through this IM Academy, they have simplified the system. This is why I tell people, look, you have to be a student of this industry. If you want to be a master, go back to the basics always. Be a student always, because there's always something to learn. And what you have seen today, look, think for a moment about the trading psychology, even that what type of goal you need to set in the trading. So watch this call again and again. I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel as well, so you all can access the call and start to learn, because the more you learn, the more possibilities you can have. And stay teachable and coachable. Be always a student of this industry. And I'm really, really excited for Mr. Owen Wright to come to the UK. We're definitely going to invite. I'm going to book the venue, and it will be amazing to learn from him the all day long, the trading session from him. Okay, so I believe this software, this system Levels, has simplified the trading. All you need to do now, you need to make a decision tonight. This company has done a lot for us. All the way from basic to advanced level education is there. Have you actually made your decision to learn this skill set? This is why, instead of rushing, instead of thinking, okay, I'm going to join today, I need to learn trading in a day, in a week, in a month, it's not going to happen. It's going to take some time. 5.5 years I am part of this platform, and now I do trade on my own myself. And again, I'm very, very grateful that 5.5 years ago I had no clue that what the trading was, but today I know a little bit about it. So again, be a student, make a clear decision that yes, I am going to learn it. I'm not going to, like he said, how many years he spent in it, how many mistakes he made, but he never quit. So don't quit just due to maybe a bad week will come in trading. Maybe you could not do it properly. This is why instead of you fund your account, why don't you open a demo account, start to practice the strategy 3 months, 6 months even, because you are learning something, a skill set for the rest of your life. You learned it once, it's going to stay here for the rest of your life, and no one can take it away from you. So, ladies and gents, once again, thank you for coming on this call. I am in Amsterdam today. Tomorrow we have an event here. If you know anyone in Amsterdam, you have any team member, guests, do let me know. Plug them into tomorrow's event, and let's go international. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone. And thank you once again for coming on the call. Thank you.